Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. On today's video, I am going to take you along with me and show you what I was doing in my home. So I wasn't doing a lot of videos because I have been really busy, but through it all I'm getting some work done and some projects done. But thank you so much. And on today I am going to decorate with some black and some gold on my fireplace. So thank you so much for stopping in. Friends, this is a decorating collaboration called We Gathered Together, and our host is Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel, and we have the Glam Elegant Living, and all they ask us to do is to decorate for the fall season with black and some gold. And here I am going to take you along with me as I decorate on my fireplace. So I bought a different type of fireplace. I'm going to show you a photo of the before fireplace and you will see the difference. So here's my before. I just changed things around. I changed the color of the paint and just changed things around because Christmas I always put my tree in this corner and I may end up leaving everything like this. So to decorate this, I want to use my gold candles and some few things I have on my table that I have out, and my papa grass, my black vase. At one point, I did not like this TV. Do not like this TV here, but because I paint the wall white, that white and black is coming together in my home. So I have just a little bit of white and black and just a little bit of gray. So I'm trying to just keep everything neutral, not to bring in too much glam, but just a little bit. So that's what I'm working on. But the brighter paint color, which is pure white, it looks so much better and it makes my home look so much more refreshed. So as I go through and find the look I'm looking for with this, I use my black and white pictures that I had in my kitchen with my DIY vase. And like I said, it's still coming together. You have some fall here with a little bit of Christmas. And guys, let me tell you about this Christmas tree. It was given to me by my son-in-law, Kim, from Walmart, and it's a free tree. And it's really a frost tree, so I may just leave it like this. And the good thing about it, I have my tree on one of those smart plugs, so I can connect it with my phone. And it's so much easier if you get a smart plug, guys, dealing with these trees, and I can just cut it on and off at any time. Here I have my side table, and I just need to really clean it off because it really is dusty from everything I'm doing in my home. I have really been doing a lot of work in my home, and at this very moment I'm up early and I'll be going to work about 8 o'clock, so I am getting this done before I leave out the house. So I hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous day, and thank you so much for stopping in. And here I have my gold vase, and this is some white and gold. I got this vase from the flea market last year. It was only like $3.99, and those flowers came from TJ Maxx, and I've just painted some eucalyptus flowers, the green ones. I painted those gold. So I have this vase here, which is black, and I got this stand here because I try to hide these cords, and I try to hide the cords. These cords can really, mess up what you're going for. But through it all, it's coming together. And I will try to leave a link to this fireplace, guys. This fireplace is on sale. I think it's the Cindy Crawford, if I'm not mistaken, but it came from Wayfair, and it was like $7 and $8. It finally went down to $5, and I grabbed it. So here on my coffee table, I'm going to use some Decor books I already have. These came from Home Goods, decorating books. The top one I ordered at home with Nikki book, and just a gold tray underneath. And that's it. And keeping my little pumpkin, like I said, going into fall and into our Christmas season. Now, as you see this, I hope that you get some inspiration from it. Now, the French doors in my front door, I have not painted yet because my brother told me that I need to get exterior paint for those doors so that it can have a stronger hold with exterior paint. So, guys, there's a tip. If you're going to paint your doors, use exterior paint, and it's a more sturdier paint so you don't have to keep painting the doors. So that's why my doors, if you can notice, are not painted yet. Now I have to take these blinds down. I have to clean the blinds. So I haven't put my curtains back up. But most of all, guys, tell me what you think. It's came out pretty good. And what I was going for is a conversation setup. That means that when you have guests, we'll be able to sit and conversate, enjoy the TV, enjoy a cup of coffee or some tea, And guys, this is my picture I got from Home Goods, Black and Gold again. And this is how it looked on the white walls, because the last time y'all saw it, it was on the gray walls. And as you see, I still have some painting to do beside the kitchen on the cabinets, but for right now, I am almost finished, but I just needed to jump back into these videos as much as I can, because doing a home renovation, guys, is not easy. So please tell me what you think, if you like this, the before and the after. And I thank you so much. And thank Miss Anna and Miss Allie from the Grace Life DIY channel and Glam Elegant Living, and many of those who are co-hosting and join us in this collaboration. Friends, thank you so much. And if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. God bless you from Penny. And thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye.